Today today I am going to be feeling slimes with my blindfold like we did last time. It's our part 3. So my mom's coming.
Hi guys. We are gonna see if we can trick her.
No.
So I let her take a look at all these different slimes just to have a look, and then she has to figure out. We threw some putties in here too, and she has to figure out which one it is.
Okay. So let's go.
Make sure you can't see. Okay, what should we start with, guys? Which one?
This one.
All right, number 1, right here in front of you.
Green, glow in the dark with blue sparkles.
Whoa, you got it! Oh my!
Yeah.
How is that possible?
Because that's the only one with hard sparkles.
That's not true. But you are right, because it's super slimy too.
Yeah.
Number 1, she gets right. Good job, girl. 1 for 1. All right, you can't see, right?
No. All I can see
This is going to be a hard
black.
one, because there are 2 of these. See if she can get the right color.
Purple with pink beads.
How do you know that?
Wait, what? Because I knew it was your favorite color. You picked it first.
Oh,
So I know what one's going to be next now.
right.
So that's going to be easy.
You're psychic, I swear. How are you so good at this? I don't even understand. Okay, what should we trick her with next?
This one. I don't even know.
I know.
Wait, what? Ah!
You are cheating, aren't you?
Wait, what? This feels weird.
It's a hard one.
Glow in the dark. Green
Nope.
slime.
Nope. Oh, she got one wrong. We tricked her.
Look it!
All the glitter. I get to keep this one. I have 1 point.
I get 2 points then.
You have 2. I have 1. Close them. Close those pretty eyes. I don't want to see you. It should all be dark. All right, this is one of the little ones. See if you can guess what color it is. Did she just cheat?
Neon purple.
I don't know if it's neon, but it's purple. You got it. It's the slimy bead.
I didn't bet. I just said neon on accident.
You got it.
This is one of my forehead. I got put on all over again. It's on my forehead.
This is gonna trick her. I know it. Okay.
Okay. Why is this feeling so weird?
Yeah, what? The slime?
No.
Oh,
Yeah, the slime.
It's I don't know how to tell you. It kind of matches the last slime. They're kind of the same.
Green Tetris guy with glitter in it.
Yep, you got it. I had to give you a hint on that one, but I'll give it to you. Because, like, they look exactly the same. It's like, if you put them together, they're Christmassy, you know? Good job. 4 points for you. Okay, close them. See, she'll definitely get this one because it's so slimy.
101 Dalmatians.
Yeah, cookies and cream. Slimy slime. It was so pretty when we made it, but it's like, whoa. 5 points for you. 1 point for me. Ready? This one's hard. You gotta feel for what's in it, okay?
Clear one with glitter in it.
I don't think, well, we do have a clear one. You're right.
Wait. Wait, no. It's not clear. It's not clear. It's not clear. It is...
If
It
only
is blue with stars in it.
You so solid.
Where are you? Where are you?
Alright, you can look. But you kind of got that one wrong first. But I gave you a second try. I was like,
How is this? I can keep my blindfold on the whole time, and you can't tell me if it's right or wrong. You put it on my side if it's I get it right, and you put it on your side if I get it wrong.
Alright, so right now you have 6
I can't
points.
open my blindfold at the very end. I open it.
That's a great idea. Alright, this next.
It's a small one, and it's the one with blue and mermaid sprinkles.
Okay. Next. You know I got it because you heard me. This one you gotta feel what's in it. So pretty.
Clear one with glitter.
Okay. This one, of course, you'll get, like, you already know. Okay.
Yellow with blue beads in it.
Oh, so I'm not allowed to say anything until they're all done? Okay. This is a little one.
It's neon pink.
Can't trick this girl. Okay, next.
Oh, blue with white beads in it.
Gotta feel for something in this one in order to get it. That's your hint.
Blue ocean with the whale in it.
See, little guy in here. Next, see if you get this one.
Another red one, a red one this time because I already did a white and a blue one, so I think it's a red one with the same glitter in it. Red one.
Like red, white, and blue?
No, just blue and white. Blue and silver.
Okay.
Because I add lots of glitter to those ones. What is it? Because on 4th of July. Wait, what?
Wait,
Oh,
what?
Oh. The orange one with the beads in it.
Orange?
No. Can I get another guess?
Yes. You don't have an orange one with beads in it, I don't think. These are fish balls, right? Oh, I'm losing them.
Pea?
Yeah. Oh, I can't tell you, but yeah.
With blue
Mm-hmm.
balls. Like fish balls, I mean.
Bulbs.
Bulbs.
Next.
How much
This
time
is the last slime. Next we'll move on to putties. It's one of my favorites. That's your hint.
It's from the slime one, and it's green with the things in it.
Good job. Oh,
So I know I got that one right.
all right. Moving on to putty. See if we can trick you because you don't even know these putties yet. So cool. I like that. It's not a
Wait, let me
sticky-
feel if it has the stuff in it. Blue with snowflakes in it. Here you go.
Thank you. Next.
I think you're going in order. I don't even know. Purple with the flakes in it?
We'll see.
What do you keep saying that?
Because you're not allowed to know yet. Next.
pink one with the hearts in it. Because that was the last one I know.
Okay, that is it. You can take off your blindfold.
Wait,
and
you gotta
see
put that over there.
how many you got right.
Wait.
She's mad she got that one wrong.
Oh,
You
yeah,
had the
that's it.
blue and the silver right.
But this wasn't red?
Nope. I mean, it is red, I guess.
Yeah, it
But
is.
it's clear with red, blue, and I guess you kind of half got it right. I wanted to give it to you, but
So you should
I
have
had
put
to
it
make
in the
you.
middle.
Oh, that's true. Well, you go in the middle then. So you got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and a half right. And I got 1.
No, you got a half a point. Because this one.
Woohoo! 1.5. 1.5.
I got a 17.5.
Do you guys think she did a good job? Comment down below if you think you could have.
Let's
got
move
all
on
these
to
right.
the cracker.
I know. I would not be able to. What do you want to do next? Do you want to do a slime surprise?
Yeah, baby.
Okay, let's do it. Whoa!
Ah.
Stuff's a flying, y'all. Stuff's a flying.